Hi, welcome to Chef Anaii, and today's recipe is going to be macaroon cookies. A nice little twist on the macaroon recipes. Let's get started. We're going to scale out our ingredients. Number one thing I want to do is scale out my aquafaba and then sift all my flours and scale them out. Discard those giant bits of almond from the almond flour. And now we're going to scale our powdered sugar. This is vegan powdered sugar. And we're going to just scale our ingredients to make sure that they're ready to go because we have to do this quick. Now we have our aquafaba. We add it to our mixer. We're going to add some cream of tartar and we're going to start blending that. I changed to a hand mixer so you can see that it's actually possible to do it. So we're just going to add our granulated sugar first as we start our aquafaba. Now with the hand mixer, it will take about 10 to 12 minutes to get to stiff peak, so just be really patient, but it will happen. So as you can see, after 10 minutes it looks like this. It's not ready yet, it just needs to go a little longer. And then I'm gonna add my vanilla at this point. Continue to whisk it until it's hard peak, which will be about 12 minutes to do this. As soon as you hit hard peak, we're gonna quickly add our ingredients and combine them. This is a very quickly thing, so we really need to have our ingredients on stand and measured out and ready to go, so we're ready to do this. As you can see, this aquafaba is just so beautiful. It's so delicate. It's amazing. Okay, we're going to slowly add our ingredients so we don't make a giant mess. We know how sugar, powdered sugar, could be so annoying. It's just very messy. So just add all the ingredient in, all of it, just gently, so you don't make a huge mess. And now gently, we'll stir our mixture together until it's combined. Slowly, because we might make a mess. What we want is for it to be completely combined, and what we're looking for is for the batter to slowly come down from our spatula, and then it's ready. Okay, wonderful. Now we're ready to put it into like a piping bag or a Ziploc bag or a plastic bag. I'm going to show you two types of ways. I'm going to show you a plastic bag, which is right here. As you can see, it's more than doable. But if you want to make it a little bit easier on yourself, get a Ziploc bag, which is this. And every time you need to clean up, use a bench scraper to scrape. As you can see, the meringues come out really nice with the Ziploc bag. I love using the Ziploc bag a lot better than a pastry bag because I just think that it's just too much work. For a pastry bag, I just want to get it done. So if you're like me, use a Ziploc bag. If you're not like me, buy yourself a wonderful pastry bag with awesome cool gadgets. And now we're going to just slam it on the surface. Pick up the tray and just slam it on the surface to remove any air bubbles. It shouldn't do anything. If it does, then your recipe was wrong, okay? We need to scale this right. To refill, just put it back in the cup and add the rest of the meringue mix. I'm going to finish it off with the Ziploc bag because it's just easier. It's a lot faster. The plastic bag is good, but it's just a little slower because it doesn't hold as much as the Ziploc bag. So the Ziploc bag is so much better. So again, throw it on the surface and remove any air bubbles. Here are the ones with the plastic bag, not that good. And here are the ones with the Ziploc bag. And into the oven for 20 minutes. And there we go, macaroon cookies. A nice little twist on the regular recipe. Macaroons are actually like little sandwiches. I just made macaroon cookies. Anyways, thank you, like and subscribe, and stick around for more.